Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Tuesday. So as on we know that market has given a beautiful rally yesterday. So market is in bullish note. So this is a perfect sort of dip where anybody can buy, and buy on dip is activated at here where 55,000 is acting as a good support. And at the same time, if you see on Nifty's chart, so 24,650 is acting as a good support, so 600 is as well is a good and strongest support. So I don't think it will be giving you any sort of breakdown below 24,600. So below 600 you can make your SL and go ahead with a buy on dip, and this setup will be going on for 25,000. I think 30 this would be our remarkable, and one more like target will be going to achieve. So above 25,000 I can easily see it's will be going to triggered for short covering above 24,800. So this would be a setup where anybody, and I'm making longs at this particular setup just because of India VIX. If you go with the chart of India VIX, so India VIX is also making a support at this, and it is giving a breakdown of particular 20 moving average. Then this will be leading a rally in the Nifty and Bank Nifty side. So you can make a support at 600 and 700 level as well. And Bank Nifty 55,000, this is a psychological number which is acting as a good support. So here I am suggesting just go for a buy on dip rather than going for a selling. It is just playing with your emotions, and maybe people be in a triggered that it will be going for a selling and freshly. But this is trust me guys, this is not for a selling, this is just a profit booking. Those who have like taken a calls and long sides, so they must be have booked their profit, and now freshly we can see fresh buyers will be coming into the picture above this. And so the short covering will be going to trigger for the call writers. They just maybe going to trap above day high and above. So we can see a beautiful upside which is will be going to capped today, Nifty and Bank Nifty. And today we have Sensex expiry, so this move is highly like predictive and volatile. So we can predict in Sensex as well, this will be going for a new short term high in intraday basis. So we can see 82,800. This would be my target for the short term and intraday basis, and this is a perfect sort of diff in Sensex. We can say the level where you can suggest for a buy is 81,680. If it is going to give any sort of a recovery and ready to give a upside, so then it has to give a close above 81,680 level. Just keep on eye on this level. So we will be going to make longs in Sensex as well for the expiry move. And this is highly volatile market due to the India VIX. India VIX is leading above 80, so which is also triggered that market can be volatile in both the sides, and we can see both the shoots in the premium in the both the sides, and market can go for a recovery as well if it is giving a profit booking in the morning, which is a very good for a healthy breakout for a market. So here don't go blindly for the selling is totally avoidable at here, and we are suggesting, and I have already makes longs at here, which is again I am taking a profit at here. So I will be going to trail till the targets 50%. I will be gonna release at 55,400 level. Then I will be see if it is going to go for a more short covering. Then we can see a huge rally in the upside Bank Nifty and Nifty, which is pretty bullish today. And according to the price action, it is bullish. Don't be go for a selling side, otherwise you will be totally going to be trapped, because it has handled the liquidity from this 600 650 and below. So people maybe go for a selling freshly at here. It has trapped the people. So once you will be getting an entry above this 750, then it will be go for a short covering for a fresh high. So ready for a fresh high, and market is not like ready for a selling side. I don't think it will be going for a selling side. This is a healthy sort of buying retracement we have looking for in the morning only. So this is very good for our market for making a new high. So if we talk about the resistance, so we have resistance above 25,030 level, and above 2530 there is a one more resistance which is 25,240. So we are looking for, and in the coming days we can see 26,000 level as well. So go for bullish side. That makes a sense at this particular market, because here we can see the volumes which is traded above 24,000. So we have seen a beautiful gap up which is 300 point and above yesterday, and market has sustainable at above the gap up, which is also an indicator that market is bullish. So we are not making any position against the price action is bullish. So in intraday basis you can make longs and go for a positional. If you are a positional buyer, so you can go and make longs, and for the target of 26,000 in the coming days we can see a positional target. Maybe 2 weeks we can see this target, and Bank Nifty we can achieve a new all-time high. This would be possible. So 57,000 I'm looking for in Bank Nifty as well. So go for like buy on dip rather than going for a selling side. And this my bias is on the buy side, just because of this particular support which is strongest on daily chart of 24,000. Till then it is above 24,000 on daily chart. It is not bearish, and we have seen a lot of news breaking, like India Pakistan war and all. So people may be bearish mode is active on, but like this price action is suggesting me that something is totally against with the market, and price action is totally bullish and is strong. So here, like making longs and going for a freshly go for an investment as well. For a short term period we can see a short covering and a beautiful upside which is capped by Nifty and Bank Nifty. So looking forward for a upside rally in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex as well. So these are the extreme support where we can make longs, and for the target of upside, which is already I have suggested to you. So note down the levels and go for a recovery, and buy on dip is activated. So here wherever you will be going for an opportunity, so looking for a buy on dip only today, and this is a perfect suggestion from my side. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sell as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And if we go with certain stocks which is leading in the Bank Nifty, so SDFC is taking a profit booking in the morning only. Kotak Bank is as well is making a profit booking. ICICI, so all are on good support. Axis Bank is also on good support. Federal Bank is also on good support. Infi is making a little bit slightly negative, but maybe it will be going to catch up the rally very soon. So 20 moving average above, it will be bullish. And TCS is also making the same price action like Infi. So keep an eye on these level. Until then, India VIX is making slowdown and giving a breakdown of this 18. Then definitely we can see a shoot in the indices. So go for a recovery, and buy on dip is activated. So have a lovely day ahead. This is Ankita Agnihotri signing off. And if you are watching my streaming till here, so you are very special for me. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and my Instagram handle, and let me know in the comment section if you have any sort of query, so I will get back to you. This is a personal and beautiful setup which I am already used to suggest to you people, and go with your analysis, your investment with your setup as well, and go for 50% risk management is very important at this particular level, because market can give drifts in intraday both the sides, because VIX is very high. So be cautious guys, and make positions according to your risk appetite. So thanks for watching this. Have a lovely day ahead. This is Ankita Agnihotri signing off. Bye bye.